How to fix TikTok not showing in App Store on iPhone. First, let's return back to the home screen. Now, if TikTok is restricted in your app store region, then it won't appear. So what you need to do is you need to change the region from the App Store. So what you want to do is go into settings. Then in settings, we tap on the account name, your Apple ID name at the top. And then we scroll down and tap on media and purchases. In here, tap on view account. Next, in account, we go down and tap on country or region. And from the list here, you want to change the region. So scroll down the list here and choose a region where TikTok is available. For example, Canada, UK, Australia, and other countries. Tap on agree and set payment to none. So make sure you set payment to none. And then after that, open up the App Store and we try searching for TikTok again. Now this often makes the app visible again on your iPhone. If it does not work, we can try the alternative. So the alternative is to basically use a combination of VPN plus a region change. So step number 1, you want to go back to settings and turn on VPN. So in here, what you want to do is look for VPN. So we go into general and then we go down and tap on VPN. So VPN and device management. In here, set up a VPN connections and turn on VPN. So that is step number 1. So connect to a country that is not restricted, like the Canada or UK. And step number 2 is we go back into that Apple ID and we change the Apple ID region to match with the VPN country. So change your Apple ID region to match the VPN country. After that, we start the App Store and try to search for TikTok and install. So a lot of people reported that they have success with this method by using VPN plus a region change with your Apple ID. And also you can try to change the App Store region to match with your VPN country. So that is done via can be done via media and purchases settings I have shown you previously. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped. If you like it, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.